Okay, so paranormal cyclist here. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isang simbahan. So we're gonna use the app VM5, alright. Okay, VM5. Okay. Down, Oracle mode. Gusto ko talaga itong Oracle mode. We're gonna ask if President Bongbong Marcos Jr. is still alive. Okay, so spirits, please tell me if it's not very bad. Alright. Is he still alive? Let's ask the spirits if President Bongbong Marcos Jr. is still alive. Is he mad? You get the word mad. I think he's mad. But is he dead? Is he dead? Adal. Help them. Uy. Help them daw. Agi ko. Who do I need to help? Help. So doon kasi tayo sa simbahan galing. Teka lang, I need to get out of here. I am sad. Yo. Oh, maybe it's talking about our president. Not at peace. Alright. Medyo alarming ating responses. So I'm gonna close the session. Thank you. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Is there anything that you would like to say to me before I close the session? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Paranormal cyclist out.